Huh. So if you're like me, they introduce these tariffs or these new, like, you can't have any drones in America rules. And you're like, yeah, well, screw you. I'm still gonna get this drone. Oh, there goes the gimbal. Probably the best drone that I've gotten. I have the Skydio. It's like a bigger version of this thingy. Here are the Skydio behind us. These little thingies come up just for like more findability. So this one is obviously a good size difference smaller. Can I launch it with that one on it? So the Skydio has a camera here, here, 2 on the bottom. We have a camera there, and then 2 more there, another camera there. This thing is avoiding everything. The one time I ever hit this on something was a power line, and there were a lot of them. But this guy, what it's looking like is we just have a 360 cam on its butt. Just right there. Essentially what that is a camera on top and bottom, making it a 360 cam. So it's pretty good at avoiding stuff. Why I got this drone instead of keeping that is because I can put this in my pocket and it's actually like not gonna fucking explode by hitting stuff. I think I can even fly this one inside. Wait, hold on, let's try that real quick. This one will remove your fingers, but it goes a lot faster, can go a lot higher, full-size drone, full-size power. This one, a big gust of wind might throw it down the hill. So you just don't go flying in super high winds. The coolest thing about this that no other drone really has is you can just do the settings from the side. So you have that little thing, you can like click through the little selfie shot. And she talks to you too, which is cool. But then you just hold this button and we'll just fly it inside because f it.
Rear, follow, 3, 2,
hold the button and then it'll just...
Unable to take off, motor stuck.
I have gotten that motor stuck thing before, and then you just blow on the propellers and then it realizes it's not stuck. So let's try this again.
Follow, 1.
Okay, it flies indoor just fine. Let's see if he... Oh God, bro. You were so close. So you need to do... Better hurry up, you're gonna lose me. Poor guy is lost. Hey. Hey buddy, I'm over here. Hello. Oh, he got lost. There you go. Oh, you just tap him on the bottom and he wakes up. That's kind of cool. All right, come back this way. Just flying itself in the house with a 360 cam. Try not to hit the walls. Don't hit the wall. Come on. Come on. Skydio. So the Skydio has a remote too that goes with it. So if it loses you, it starts to triangulate you. This one kind of just spazzes out and flies around in a circle. The best thing about this drone is, come here, bitch. It'll land right in your hand. With this one over here, you're losing a finger. Like either way, like you can try to go from the top and just avoid this, but like I'm not risking that. I'm not risking that finger carnage. So then if you go too far on the bottom, they're gonna get you. And then if you go up and grab it while it's in mid-flight, it'll just turn off. If I go for the sneak attack and just like, come here, bitch. Okay, well, maybe not. The other time it did. Watch out for those glass things. Don't hit that. That'd be really bad. Okay, stay. Stay. All right, come outside. Come on. Come on.
Aircraft landing automatically. Fly in well lit. Textured environments.
Huh. Collision detected. Aircraft landed. You definitely landed. All right, well, we'll take you outside. Do I have to restart him or we just...
Right. Follow.
Okay.
3,
He's
2,
alive.
1. Unable to take off. Motor stuck.
Motor's not stuck, bro.
2, 1.
There we go. If you grab it with your hand, I can move him to wherever I want him to go. So no more controllers. No more bullshit. Just your hands. So you can launch it and then just like go about your day. Can I just throw you really far away? Yeah. Whoa. I'm walking here. Why are you flying? Dude, chill. Come here. This works consistently though. Every time. This just works. I don't have to move my hand either to try to like make it land on it. It just lands on my hand. I wasn't even watching.